A lot of the students that come into our office have actually lost hope in terms of continuing their studies or actually re-registering. So we see a lot of hope being restored to a lot of students when we are able to offer them that financial assistance that wouldn't be otherwise available. The financial support that we offer to students often goes not only to tuition, but also they use it for study material, providing for meals, accommodation, and also other academic interventions that they might need, like tutorials and also attending workshops to assist them to succeed. I just want to appeal to prospective donors, our current donors, our students and staff to continue to donate, and those that haven't started to start. It takes a village to raise a child. And as you know, a little money can feed a student for a day. We are making a difference in not only the students' life, but also their communities that they come from, as they are able to go back, pay it forward to their communities and make a difference in the life of those around them.